with the rain, it's a little cold out here. 60 degrees when I left the house. Okay, it's picking up. I gotta go. I am soaking wet and my shoes are going squish, squash, squish, squash. But I let the geese out this morning. It's been a while since I've checked on the geese. Well, I've had you come along with me as I check on the geese. I check on them all the time. But I'm gonna let them out this morning. Hey guys! Okay, I don't know if you can tell. Oh, the rain just picked up. Oh, sorry. The rain just picked up. It's gonna kill my camera. Gotta go. Okay, wait. I'm covering it. Okay. It's raining and thunderstorming here. How do you say that? It's raining and there's thunder. Earlier there was lightning. I cuddled with the puppy this morning. Oh, he's doing great. He went all night. No whining, no messes. So, very, very good. Still raining. Supposed to rain off and on today. There you go. We'll see what the day's got in store for us. Hi, puppy. You're gonna walk into something. Oh, he's following me. There's my boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Come here, puppy. Oh, I smell something. Oh. Okay, we'll leave him alone. Hi, boy. Oh, you're a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Oh, he wants my cord hanging here. It's a nice puppy. Hi, who's that? Hi. You want to be in my video too?
No, I want the one with the kitty. I want one with the kitty.
Uh-oh. Kitty? What are you talking about?
The kitty one.
Kitty one of what?
The kitty one, the kitty video.
Where's the kitty video?
On that, yes.
I don't remember. What's the kitty video? Tell me about it.
It's the one with the faces. Remember the one with the ears?
Oh, okay. She wants to become a kitty. I gotcha. Okay, hold on. He's excited.
Of course, the geese.
He likes the geese. I don't know if it. Oh, there are the geese.
Can I do that one now?
Being too loud for him.
Look at that. They like you.
Uh-oh.
Who do we have here? Oh, look at all the wires on that table there.
Yeah, those were trying to be pulled away.
Oh, hello, Wilder. Did you come to greet me? Oh, hello. Hi. Yeah.
See, you can pet his back, and his name's soft, and you can pet his head.
Is he soft?
His ears.
Yeah. Little puppy disappeared, and this is where I found him, in the corner in the kitchen. Aww. Trying to get comfortable. You should go in your kennel. There are lots of blankets in there, buddy. Maybe I'll put him in there. Little guy. Oh, he's so fluffy. Oh, big yawn. Jack's gonna take us for a drive, but first he's gonna fix the flashy signal. There's a loose connection with the light bulb, and he fixed it the last time because because he came. That's not what I meant to say. I meant he is going to do it because he knows how to do it. He did it the last time, so he's going to do it again. He said it wouldn't take very long, and oh, I'm holding a puppy, so I can't do it. Where you going, little guy? Where you going? Okay. Oh, he's so big. I'm gonna make him a lap dog whether he wants it or not, aren't we? Yeah, you're gonna be a lap dog? Oh, big yawn. Big yawn, he's so dark. The camera doesn't know where to focus. There's a light on in here. Let's see if I turn this one on, if that'll help. He's looking out the window. Oh, and we don't want to forget Piper. Piper. She has to come along. She loves going for a ride. So we have no brake light on that side either. No signal, no brake light. And I think he didn't really want to take it apart. And I don't blame him because I don't either. Which is why I asked him to do it. I'm so mean. Yeah. Look at you. Such a big boy. His face is so dark. Okay. Oh. Yes, look at that. Oh, yeah. Piper, what do you think? He's going to be bigger than you. He's already bigger than you. What do you say, little guy? Oh, so calm. Yeah. Nothing, no change yet?
Should I just put it back there?
Yeah, what, the cover on? Did you try moving the wires around?
Yeah.
Should we try a spare bulb? How many bulbs are there?
Not the bulb.
Not the bulb. He's 15 and he's the expert. Capable kids, I tell ya. Okay, bye. Okay guys, life with a puppy. It's 2:43 in the morning. I had to take him out because he was whining. Alright, he's running circles around me while walking. Let's go home, buddy. Go home. Go home. We're teaching him. Go home. Oh, yeah, there he goes.